Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the first question in exercise 8.1. In triangle ABC, right-angled at B, AB is 24 centimeters, BC is 7 centimeters. Determine in the first subdivision, they're asking sin A, cos A, and in the second subdivision, sin C, cos C. So first let's draw a right angled triangle for this. So I'm drawing a right angled triangle. Let's mark it. So this is A, B and C. They have already given it as right angled at B. So I ensure that you mark it that way. You can swap the vertices of A and C. Otherwise it still doesn't matter. So now let's mark the distances that's given to us. So AB is going to be 24 centimeters. BC was given as 7 centimeters. Now, let's compute what is going to be sine A and cos A. That was the first subdivision. So, let's calculate sine A and cos A for this. So, according to the definition, sine A is going to be equal to, sine definition, sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So, the side opposite to angle A is going to be BC. So, this is BC by the hypotenuse is AC. And similarly, cos A is going to be adjacent by hypotenuse. So in this case, it's going to be AB by AC. We know the value of AB and BC. So let's compute what is the value of AC. So here we are applying Pythagoras theorem. So AC squared is going to be AB squared plus BC squared. This is 24 squared plus 7 squared. So this is 576 plus 49, which is equal to 625. AC square is 625, which means AC is just 25. Now let's substitute the values because everything else is known for us. So sin A is going to be 7 by 25 because BC is 7. Now cos A is going to be equal to 24 by 25. Now in the second subdivision, they asked us what is sin C and cos C. So let's calculate what is sin C. So sin C is going to be the angle opposite to C. So this is going to be AB, that is AB divided by AC. And as far as cos C is concerned, it's going to be adjacent by hypotenuse, which is BC divided by AC. We have already computed these values, so I'm directly going to substitute it. AB is going to be just 24, so AC is 5. So this is 24 by 25. Cos C is going to be BC, which is 7, and AC is 25. So in this case, this is 7 by 25. In the next video, we will see how to solve the second question in this exercise.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.